Right, first thing, it's New Year's Day, so happy New Year to you all. But I'm in the workshop, working on the RG500, while you're nursing your hangovers, I hope. And let's hope this year we can get a full season and a full grid. I'll show you around the bike. Right, here's the bike. The engine's out at the tuners, which we hopefully should get back mid-January. We've got K6 front end, GSXR. Quite a few chassis mods. We modded it here, down here, because it can crack at the pivot point when you really up the power of the engine. We've got an Öhlins shock in there, GSXR. Got all modified to mount it. My Bob did that. We've got a K5 rear end. And what we're going to be doing today is fitting this seat unit. I've been prepping it. I've cut out all the cutouts for the grills. I had to extend the front of the fairing because the works bike is a slightly longer tank. But that's what we're going to get fitted today. I'll show you when we're finished. So, the setup on this bike is very similar to my GSXR slab side. I've got the same front end, mine being an 08, and I've also got a K5 rear end. I did the bike with a bit of a Le Mans touch to keep me happy. Got my little light down there. Cool. Right, we've roughly got the seat on. Make a few cutouts and mods. We've put some exhaust through the back. It's a bit of a dummy thing because we've got no engine to connect them to. But I think it's looking good. We're going to be running this bike in the Thunderbike Extreme. No, Ultra, which is the more powerful ones. So it's a little 500 going out against the thousands. Let's see how she gets on. Lots of work to do yet. I've got to paint it all yet. I'll let you know the colour.